You're listening to 99.5 FM Giri Giri Radio. And today I am your host, Giri Giri Yugiri. Cue the wacky radio sounds. What are those radio sounds go like again? I wanna master that. One of my most useless skills is sound effects. Verbal sound effects. That is one of my most useless skills. Just random soundboard noises. No, that's not a normal. You're listening to 99.5 FM. And then like random. Oh, no, that's electric cucumber. Never mind. Can you demonstrate some of the sound effects? Let's see. What is something? What is a random sound effect? Car crash. Okay. There we go. Air horn. Air horn, that's right. Bow, 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 bow. I can't do that one. Ow, 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 ow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. I can do like a squeaky faucet. The water effect is not good.